Charging cables. We all have them. And we need them to charge our smartphones, tablets and other devices. The good thing about them is they are cheap, unless you have an iPhone. Which I do. With most phones you can use any old cable, but not with Apple. With the release of the iPhone 5 they also introduced a new port. The new connector was smaller and easier to use. But with every new technology, it takes time until other companies start to make them. So when it was first released, you could only use the one that was supplied with your device. But now you can find hundreds of different cables all over the internet. But you shouldn't buy those. Why? Because they just don't work. Now you see, Apple has this MFI program. And what does MFI stand for? It means made for iPod, iPhone and iPad. I'm pretty sure you all have seen this before. But you might not know what it does. Basically, it is a licensing program for developers. It allows them to make goods that work with iDevices. If a cable doesn't have this certification, it probably doesn't work. Here's one that does. This is the Great Shield charging cable in pink. This one is the 3 feet version, but different lengths and colors are available. So why would you buy this one over the Apple branded one, or any other cable? Firstly, it is pink, which is always a winner. But there's also a black and a white version available. It has a decent length as well. And an even longer version is available in all colors. The price is really appealing as well. Links to purchase it can be found in the description.
Express what I'm feeling when I see you. You flash a smile, I'm like, is this happening? I look your way and then of course drop everything. You walk over and ask if